Hi, first grade families. I'm super excited to tell you about this awesome math tool that we're going to use for homework today. So today, your child needs to log on to IXL. You'll need to type in the search bar ixl.com/sign-in/SJL You have to type in the sign in and SJ Arnold to get to the right screen. When you've done that, you'll get to our St. John's Lutheran School page. Type in the username and password that I've given you on that piece of paper that came home. You'll get a piece of paper with your child's username and password, some directions, and how to access this site. I'm going to use our friend Leo as an example. I'm going to type in his username and his password found on that card and sign in. IXL is an awesome math tool that covers a large variety of skills. Today, your child's task is to check out this IXL website and just play around with it. Try some things here, try some things there. When you've logged in and gotten to this screen, hit the Math tab at the top. Then check to make sure you're in the first grade tab. It's green. Then you have a large variety of skills to practice from. We've been talking about subtraction and addition facts, so you can choose one of those things if you'd like. If you think that you're ready for something different, try something different. If not, try one of these things. I'm going to pick addition with cubes. When I've clicked on that skill that I want to practice, a screen will pull up with some questions. If you're not sure about what words these are, it can read it to you. Just click this.
There are 3 yellow cubes and 2 purple cubes.
We need to add them together. I type in my answer and hit submit. Then it'll take me to the next question. If I happen to get the answer wrong, it'll guide me through how I can correct and fix my answer and give some explanation. So again, your job today is to go to that math tab and just play around with this website. I want you to be familiar with it, explore it, and check out this awesome math tool that we have at our school. All right, enjoy!